Welcome back to everyone. If you're a fan of iconic motorcycles, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the Yamaha RD500LC, a legendary two-stroke machine that captured the hearts of riders in the 1980s. And guess what? Rumors are swirling about a potential revival in 2026. So let's explore the history, specifications, and the possibility of this classic bike making a comeback. The Yamaha RD500LC, also known as the RZ500 in some markets, was introduced in 1984 as a road-going replica of Yamaha's YZR 500 Grand Prix racing bike. This was during a brief period when manufacturers were creating street versions of their race machines, and the RD500LC stood out with its impressive performance and striking design. Powered by a 499 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, V4 two-stroke engine, the RD500LC produced around 88 horsepower at 9,500 RPM. This engine featured Yamaha's power valve system, YPVS, which adjusted exhaust port timing to enhance performance across the rev range. The bike's 6-speed transmission and lightweight frame contributed to its agile handling and thrilling ride. Site Turn Zero Search 12. The RD500LC was equipped with advanced suspension systems, including telescopic forks and a link-type rear shock, providing excellent stability and control. Its braking system featured dual hydraulic disc brakes at the front and a single hydraulic disc at the rear, ensuring reliable stopping power. Site Turn Zero Search 12. In terms of design, the RD500LC boasted a sleek, aerodynamic fairing that mirrored its racing counterpart. The bike's aggressive styling and bold color schemes made it a head-turner on the streets. Its compact size and lightweight construction further enhanced its appeal to riders seeking a high-performance machine. Site Turn Zero Search 3. Despite its impressive specifications and performance, the RD500LC had a relatively short production run, lasting until 1986. This limited availability, combined with its racing pedigree and unique features, has made the RD500LC a sought-after collector's item today. Site Turn Zero Search 12. Now, let's talk about the potential revival of the RD500LC in 2026. While nothing has been officially confirmed by Yamaha, enthusiasts and industry insiders are buzzing with excitement over the possibility. The resurgence of interest in classic motorcycles and the growing demand for retro-styled bikes could make this the perfect time for Yamaha to reintroduce the RD500LC. If Yamaha decides to bring back the RD500LC, we can expect modern updates to meet current emissions standards and safety regulations. However, the core essence of the bike, the thrilling two-stroke V4 engine, the lightweight chassis, and the unmistakable design, would likely remain intact. So, what do you think? Would you like to see the Yamaha RD500LC make a comeback in 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Yamaha's most iconic motorcycles, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.